Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 2. To find a complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: a company uses an external system to manage its custom account territory assignments. Every quarter, millions of accounts may be updated in Salesforce with new owners when the territory assignments are completed in the external system. What is the optimal way to update the accounts from the external system? Option A, Bulk API. Option B, SOAP API. Option C, Apex REST Web Series. And option D, Composite REST API. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: a company wants to implement a new call center process for handling customer service calls. It requires service reps to ask for the caller's account number before proceeding with the rest of their call script. Following best practices, what should a developer use to meet this requirement? Option A, Apex Trigger. Option B, Process Builder. Option C, Flow Builder. And option D, Approvals. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: what is the optimal technique a developer should use to programmatically retrieve global pick list option in a test method? Option A, use the scheme namespace. Option B, use a static resource. Option C, perform a call out to the metadata API. And option D, perform a SOQL query. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: a company has a web page that needs to get account record information given its Salesforce record ID from JavaScript on the page and then display it. Which method of integration is optimal? Option A, REST API. Option B, Apex SOAP Web Service. Option C, SOAP API. And option D, Apex REST Web Service. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: a large company uses Salesforce across several departments. Each department has its own Salesforce administrator. It was agreed that each administrator would have their own sandbox in which to test changes. Recently, users noticed that fields were recently added for one department suddenly disappeared without warning. Also, workflows that once sent emails and created tasks no longer do so. Which two statements are true regarding these issues and resolutions? Choose two options. Option A, the administrators are deploying their own change sets, thus deleting each other's field from the objects in production. Option B, a sandbox should be created to use as a unified testing environment instead of deploying change sets directly to production. Option C, page layout should never be deployed via change sets as this causes workflow and field level security to be reset and fields to disappear. And option D, The administrators are deploying their own changes sets over each other, thus replacing entire page layouts and workflows in production. The correct answer is option B and D. Next question is, a developer is writing a Visual Force page that queries accounts in the system and presents a data table with the results. The user wants to be able to filter the results based on up to 5 fields. However, the user wants to pick the 5 fields to use as filter fields when they run on the page. Which feature of Apex code is required to facilitate this solution? Option A, SOSL queries. Option B, describe objects. Option C, dynamic schema binding. And option D, REST API. The correct answer is option B. Thank you.